Hey, this is Ben at Suburban Food Farm. Here's our quick update on this year's grafting progress. Here's some of the apples and stone fruits that we started the year out doing. So you can see we've got most are popping here. Some brand new growth here. Some nice apple growth down low. That one's about to pop out there, it looks like. And a few others. So here's what your grafting situation will look like after about a month to maybe 2 months. You want to keep picking off any growth that comes below the grafting, and you also want to protect these trees from sun, rats, critters, anything else that might want to be eating that tender fresh growth. So here's a nice one coming through really well, as well as then a few other of our Cherimoyas that are coming in. So we've got a nice pop going on there. Few other spots too. So in here. So just a quick video showing you some progress on this year's grafting 2018. Thanks for joining us. Hope you learned something.